This video explains how to do the training reflection, which is due on November the 8th. So there's two options. Option one is you can watch a video, and when you click this link, you're going to go through to a Durham College website. It's going to ask you to input your banner and postal code, and that's fine. Nobody's recording it really, but it's a staff training video, so that's why if you were staff, it would be recorded. So you're going to watch the video, and then you're going to answer this question. So you're presuming you work at an IT company, you're delivering some training, you got to create it, and you find out that some of your coworkers that will be attending the training have some learning challenges. So what I want you to do is tell me 5 specific UDL strategies that you can use when you're planning your training to ensure you provide multiple means of representation and multiple means of engagement during your training so it's accessible. And I want you to use a direct quote, so cite verbatim, word for word, put it in quotation marks, your solutions using the information posted on this website, and explain how using this solution will help you address the coworkers with these specific challenges. Okay, so a total of 5 UDL strategies, not 5 for this, 5 for this, and 5 for this, a total of 5. The other option you can do is you can create a video tutorial, and your video tutorial would teach someone how to do something that's IT related, or you can actually just videotape yourself teaching someone how to perform an IT related skill and incorporate in your teaching some UDL strategies. So if you choose this option, make sure you are not just simply recording a demonstration of you performing the skill. So for example, if you recorded me jumping a skipping rope, that doesn't teach anybody how to use a skipping rope. You want to, like I said, incorporate UDL strategies, whichever one of these you choose, to ensure your training is accessible. Post your recording to YouTube and submit a link into the DC Connect Dropbox. I don't want one of those big, huge WMV files submitted, please. And then in the comments field, what I want you to do is describe 3 UDL strategies that you've used to ensure your instructions include multiple means of learning and multiple means of engaging the learner. So I've created an example here for you. What could you teach somebody that's IT related? Your video, if you do make one, 2 minutes, 3 minutes max. But it's something that you could teach them that they could do probably, I put in 5 or 10 minutes. So for example, maybe you worked at the IT desk, a help desk, and you need to help somebody find and install a scanner app and put it on their phone. So you might have to do that over the phone if you were working at a help desk remote. So my example that I've created though is how to watch cool movies on your computer or other device. So if you want to learn how to do that, here's my sample activity. Is you want to click this and you can watch my video. If we were in class face-to-face, I print slides 40 to 49, so people that like to have paper can follow through. And yeah, then either work with a partner. I'd invite you to work with a partner or on your own, and I'd invite you to use your device, your computer, and follow along. And this would walk you through how to download cool movies from the library. So that concludes our videos for this week. This one, like I said, explains how to do the reflection for training. Next week, in week 8, we'll apply some of those UDL strategies. So you might want to wait if you're going to do option 2 before trying to do this assignment. And if you have questions, please feel free to email me for clarification. Thanks so much.